Chuck Lind, dermatologist in Toronto, well known to all the Canadian scene. I'm here in Toronto at the Royal Sonesta where we're having DREAM. And DREAM is a specific program for young dermatologists, 5 years and less, coming out to learn about dermatology. We have cutting edge clinical research, current and prospective trends, clinical pearls, and optimizing treatment. I think one of the biggest things here though is to have people understand they can network and get their education through a lot of different avenues. We have it here. This is a very roundtable, interactive course specifically for young dermatologists. DREAM, remember it.
So Jeff, what are your thoughts on the program this year?
Thanks, Orson. I'm really excited to be here. This has been a really exciting opportunity for us to attend as new to practice dermatologists. I've just started in my first month. This has been a really great opportunity to catch up with some of my colleagues who I haven't seen in the last few months for us to share our experience so far. At the same time, it's a great blend of some of the new academic knowledge coming that we would get at the conferences, as well as some more hidden curriculum content about the ins and outs of practice and accessing some of those effective and advanced treatments for our patients, and also hearing from the most influential speakers in Canada and the States.
Tonight we're gonna have a great program, as well as tomorrow. We have the brightest and the best dermatology residents and graduates in Canada. And we would like to thank our sponsors. We have several sponsors who contributed to our program, and we'd like to thank all of them.
So the DREAM initiative has always been a really important initiative for us at least Cypher, and in industry as well. I mean, you know, an opportunity to bring young dermatologists together to learn from some of the best nationally has always been really important, not only to the dermatology community, but also just to patient care in general. And one of the things that we've always appreciated is, you know, we have a lot of the younger derms in a room, and they're asking a lot of really practical, good questions about starting off in their practice, you know, how to run their practice, how to optimize treatments, how to optimize treatments for patients, how to manage side effects, how to counsel patients. These are all just really important aspects to their profession, and learning from some of the best is, you know, it's tremendous. And then from an industry standpoint, we have an opportunity to you know, showcase our products, showcase our people, and it's a win all around amongst everybody.
So we're here with Dr. Chen, who is one of our faculty members at DREAM. Dr. Chen, how do you like DREAM Canada?
It's always wonderful to see the new grads in dermatology. Lots of familiar faces here these 2 days, and it's always just nice to see the next generation of dermatologists all gathering in one place.
Thank you.
And Helen, how's your day been at DREAM?
It's been fantastic, and I've been here since yesterday evening, and I must say the program that's been put together by faculty and Roxanne and yourself and all the speakers have been absolutely amazing. I've been taking notes nonstop, learning so many clinical pearls, and I see that all of the newer derm grads have also been really benefiting from all the learning. So what a great program.
Is it your first time at DREAM, and what are your impressions?
It is. It's my first year attending DREAM, and as Roxanne said, my name is Kim Rosum, and I work for Celltrion Healthcare Canada, and it was a pleasure to get to sit in and listen to the fantastic presentations, and also have the opportunity to meet a new generation of dreamers. As in industry, we don't get to meet the residents, and now that they're new grads, it's a great opportunity to get a chance to meet them and see what their interests and passions are, and also learn alongside them.
My name's Jody Owen, and I'm with Arcutis. It's my first year here, although we've sponsored a DREAM in the past. And as Kim mentioned, you know, it's nice to be able to meet some of the new graduates in this setting, so that when we get out in the field to see them in the office, we've sort of established that relationship here. And I think it's been a really great mix of, you know, hearing topics on some of the most common conditions that they're going to treat, but then also what are practical day-to-day things and tips that they're hearing from past dreamers that are really going to help them, you know, thrive in their practice when they get out there on their own.
And Maria, what do you think about the DREAM program?
I think it's a great program. We've had a chance to see physicians are very experienced in a different levels of their experience, many years in younger, and then you can see that they have very practical advice, and they have very real life advice as well for the younger physicians. And it, as a sponsor, is actually really nice to see, because some of the things are what really makes a difference in the day-to-day for the physicians themselves and ultimately for the patients.
We're here with Nicole from Kenview. Nicole, tell us your impressions about DREAM Canada.
It's been such a positive experience, and Kenview is so proud to sponsor DREAM this year and engage with early practice dermatologists, and just happy to be here.